Well, let's get started by checking our diesel. Looks like we got a little over half a tank. It's clean. We'll check the oil. I think this is about a 1995 John Deere 450G long track. Had some battery issues, but we got all that fixed. I think that was a mouse problem. Yes, sir. That oil looks good too. It's probably only got 10 hours on since the last oil change. Boom. And we'll check our coolant. After I spill half of it, it's still full to the top, so we're good. Okay. Let's do one more thing. Let's just check this pre-filter cleaner here. It's good. Filter in there is somewhat clean. Okay. I'm gonna knock some of this dirt out here. Okay. Seen worse. And since it's a little chilly today, I'm gonna start this thing, let it get nice and warm. Battery disconnect. So when these things sit for a while, your brakes can, I don't know if it's rust or they'll stick together. So you gotta let it warm up for a bit. Then you got your starting fluid there. I never like to use that. Let's see if we can get this going without.